Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controllers not working on Titanfall 2. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first method is for Steam. So if you got the game on Steam, you just need to press on Steam icon here, then go to settings, and then you will open up Steam settings, go to controller here, make sure I'm using PS4 controller, as you can see here. Make sure that input is for PlayStation controller is enabled. If you're using other controllers like Nintendo or Xbox, make sure this option is selected as well. And then also the pro tip that idle gamepad shutdown timeout should be on never, because it's on 15. It should on default, I believe it's on 15 minutes. So this means after 15 minutes your controller will turn off, so we don't want it to do that, right? So make sure to make it on never, and then run the game and look if it's working or not. If it's not working, then go to Titanfall 2, go to properties, then select a controller, and then select it should be on default settings. Try with Steam default Steam input, or enable Steam input, and look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you can do other way. Also, it's super helpful for other games that you play not on Steam, for example EA Play or others, and for some games your controller should not work. So what you can do here, you need to just open up your browser, just write DS4 Windows, and select this option here, and then hit download. Scroll down until you see a download button, press on that. It's just add, and now you should download DS4 Windows, right? And once it's downloaded, I need to find it on my computer where it's downloaded. Should be on downloads. Yeah, on downloads here. Then you just need to extract the all to whatever you like. I will extract to my desktop, right? And then you just need to press on DS4 Windows, DS4 Windows exe, and then select program folder. And on this window, select your controller. I'm using PS4 controller, so I just need to select this one. If you're using PS4 and maybe PS5, you can select this one, and just select your controller, and then hit close. And then you should see this window here. And if your controller connected with the Ethernet cable or Bluetooth, your controller should appear here. And when you play the game, you can always turn on DS4 Windows on your computer, and it should work. So if your controller connected to Ethernet cable, you're good to go. But if you want to play with your Bluetooth, you just need to open up Bluetooth here, Bluetooth and other services. Then make sure the Bluetooth is on, add device, Bluetooth, and then look for a controller here and add it here. And if you don't know what to press to pair your controller, simply you just need to, for example, if I write PS5 controller, right? You just need to press and hold this button and this button until your controller starts to blink, and then your controller should appear here on add device, and simply you just need to add it, and that's pretty much it. Your controller should work now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.